Well, we're at the start of Your Market Fortnight, and it's great to see the banners up here on Neath Market. I've been a champion of the market, as you probably all know.
Rwy'n siopa mewn rheolaidd, ac rwy wedi bod yn falch o ddangos y farchnad i arweinydd Plaid Cymru Rhyn ap Iorwerth pan ddath ar ymweliad â Castell-nedd. Rwy hefyd wedi dod â chynrychiolwydd Llywodraeth Cymru a'r cyngor ynghyd i geisio helpu sicrhau cydweithio ar gynlluniau i ddiogelu dyfodol y farchnad, sydd mor bwysig ar gyfer economi a lles y gymuned leol.
And I think that this fortnight gives us an opportunity to celebrate the market, to celebrate the wonderful stallholders we have here, the opportunities it brings for people who are shopping here in Neath, but also for the whole community. That it shows that it's the beating heart of our community, to celebrate that, to appreciate that, and to just wave the flag for Neath Market.